Okay, hi. Let's see how to use MadMapper to control, thanks to DMX input, to control fixture device in DLight. So this is a fresh started DLight. I create a new show using file new, and I will register my devices. This can be done thanks to the device listing. I will import a simple personality, 3 offset. Okay, I set it to channel 1, for example. Just to see that the 3 offset are green blue, I have edited the personality of the selected device, and I see that it is red, green, blue. Okay. As this personality does not have the intensity dimmer registered, I can use this parameter to add a virtual intensity for color, and it is this level which will be the new intensity parameter for this device. It is a virtual intensity, but it's very convenient because if you use the virtual intensity, you can have access to moving black, to several features that are very convenient for devices. Okay, so I have my channel 1. I will clone it. I want 15 devices, 15 new devices. Let's make them start to channel 2 and OK. So, unfortunately, the virtual intensity is not ticked. This is something I will improve for the next release of DLight, but for now, you need to tick them in order to use the virtual intensity for all of them. Okay. Now, in the setup I/O, input output, I will use the streaming ACN protocol in order to receive DMX from MadMapper. So I can do it with ArtNet also, but streaming ACN is easier. So I launch the server. I choose the interface card from where I will receive DMX. The little trick is to use this address, which means every possible address. Okay. I will receive DMX on universe 1. I can receive DMX on universe 1 and output DMX on universe 1. It is the same. But I mean, it's not the same, but I can do both in the same time. Okay, so the interface card, the port, the universe to use. So now I will be able to launch MadMapper. I will, in the preference of MadMapper, I will choose the ACN protocol on the DMX output. Okay. With this icon, I can add a fixture, a DMX fixture, and I can see here that MadMapper is outputting his DMX to universe 1. This is why I have selected universe 1 here. And I see in the main window that all this incoming data from MadMapper are redirected to channels here. So now, if in MadMapper I launch an effect, I can see incoming data that are bounded two channels, two pure channels. In this configuration, MadMapper, does not control the color of the devices. In order to do so, you will not bound anymore the incoming data to channel. You will use the input patch. When you select input patch, you will be able to edit the input patch table. So it is the same as the output patch, but this is the input and this is the channel of DLight. Input, you can select them per universe. So I will use universe 1. I shift and click on this one and I drag and drop everything to here. So you see input 1, DMX channel 1, that is incoming in DLight, is patched to the special 0 offset of the device 1. The input 2 is patched to the first offset of device 1. 3 is patched to the second offset of device 1. This one is patched to the third offset of device 1. Device 1 is only 3 offset, so this is R, red, green, blue. But as I have selected the virtual intensity for color, I can use this special offset, the 0 offset, to control the intensity of the device. Okay, so now I am receiving, I can close the input patch. The patch is done. And now in MadMapper, I can use, I can change stuff in MadMapper to change the result in DLight. Okay. You see, this is a little bit different, and thus MadMapper become a nice plugin for DLight. One more thing to show you. I suggest you to use a virtual submaster for incoming level in order to not directly control level on stage, but to make them pass through a submaster. All those data that stay at those levels come from MadMapper. They did come from MadMapper when it was bounded to channel. So generally, you don't switch between virtual submaster or not virtual submaster or virtual. You choose one, and that's it. 0. So this is all the data are now coming from MadMapper, going through a virtual submaster, and are outputted on stage. This is convenient because for two reasons. If you select another universe, hop, you can switch the incoming data to off. If nothing is coming on universe 2, it's like a switch. And the other reason is that using a real submaster in DLight, if you load the virtual submaster in this submaster, you will be able to control the level of the incoming data. So you can switch them off by ear, and this can be controlled thanks to master link and everything. After, you can also choose some other generators from MadMapper. Yeah, you have several effects. Okay, you can have some random stuff, some haze stuff. Okay, so here's how to use MadMapper to control devices in DLight. So to summarize, you create your you import your devices thanks to the device listing. I suggest you to use virtual intensity for color when they don't have, when personality does not have. Then you use the streaming ACN input capabilities. MadMapper is sending DMX to ACN Universe 1. So I receive incoming data from Universe 1 and I bound incoming data to input patch, where here I can edit the input patch table. Okay, enjoy. See you.